This program is brought to you by York County Library's Summer Quest. Safe summer fun for everyone. To learn more, visit our website at www.yorklibraries.org. Today's craft, yarn tails. You will need yarn and a safety pin. Here's an example of what your project might look like. First, gather your materials. Next, fold your yarn in half. Then, take your safety pin and pin the middle of the yarn. It's best to have an adult do this part. We don't want anyone to get poked with their pin. Once your pin is secure, you're going to prepare your tail for braiding. Start by separating it into 3 pieces. It might be easier for you if you pin your yarn to something sturdy so that you have something to pull against while you're braiding. When you braid, you're taking your outside pieces and moving them to the middle one at a time. Repeat this process over and over until you have a long braid. When you are done, tie a knot at the end of your tail. Now you have the perfect costume for when you visit the library. If you enjoyed today's program, visit us at yorklibraries.org or follow us on social media. Thanks for crafting with us.